Hi, this is Shivam, and I'm pursuing my BTech from Government Engineering College. And this video is for Liquid Galaxy Task 1, in which we are set up virtual Liquid Galaxy with 3 virtual machine and a smartphone emulator. So let's take a look on my laptop screen. As you can see, there are total 3 rigs, LG1, LG2 and LG3. They are running. So let me show you the configuration which I have done. Let me open first setting. As you can see, the video memory is 16 MB and the monitor count is 1, and the base memory is 1800 MB. And I connected all those things with NAT network. As you can see, it's connected with adapter 1 NAT network. So and for now for Liquid Galaxy Task 1, in which we have to test the apps. So first let me open BlueStack. Here, as you can see, we will test the app SatNoc visualization. Let me open first. Let's visualize transist IP5 in Liquid Galaxy. As you can see, it's working. That's fine. Here it's showing transist IP5 alive. That's why all the 3 rigs are working in fine. And let me first clear the logos and KML. Let's go for the second one. It's visualizing and working fine as we want. You can see it's showing online. And for now, thank you to all and my mentors. We will be back in Liquid Galaxy Task 3. So bye.
Hello, my name is Yanni Thakur and this is the video proof of the completion of my task 1. So here is the setup I have created. The central is the master machine while the other 2 are the slaves. Also, this is the emulated device smartphone I have created, and for the demonstration I'll be using the SatNox app. So, uh, so as you can see that the SatNox logo has also appeared over here. So now let's now see this transist 58 view in Galaxy, and as you can see, here it goes. Here we can see the satellite over here, and all the details are shown over here. The further details are shown in the right side of the screen. Now let's see some other satellites. Let's have a look at this. Okay, here it goes. Here is our satellite. From over here we can also select the orbit period. Can say simulate, and here it goes. We can see the path of the satellite. We can slow down the orbit rate, and it will be taking a little bit of time to show. And now simulate. So here it goes. So this is all about the task 1 demonstration video. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Vishal Maurya and I am a student at Indian Institute of Information Technology, Bhopal. This is my first task presentation for selection in Google Summer of Code 2025. So the first task is to create a liquid galaxy rig using the virtual machines. So let's see. So as you can see, I have installed liquid galaxy on my device and I am running Google Earth here. So as you can see, I have all these three rigs are completely in sync with each other. The middle one is the master rig and other two are slave rigs. So for first task, I have to demonstrate the liquid galaxies SatNav. My fourth virtual machine is my emulator and I have installed this app SatNav's visualization tool. So to connect it, now you can see it is connected. So here we have two options in this app, satellite and ground stations. So if I click on this view in galaxy, I got like two options, balloon visibility and orbit period. So you can see this is the path of the satellite. And if I increase orbit period and I click here, it will show me the path of the satellite on which it just move in the space. Okay, so let's stop it. Now let's see the ground station one. So if I click on the first one, it's showing me the location of this ground station. So here we have more options. So to reset sleeve refresh, clear logos and KML, relaunch, reboot and power off. So if I click here, it will clear all the logos and KMLs. So that's it in this video. Thanks for watching.
Hey guys, I'm Michael Lewis and I'm a third year engineering student pursuing computer science. This is my task 1 submission, that is to set up the Liquid Galaxy rigs and test them out using the SatNav app. So these are the 3 rigs which have been set up. This is the master rig and these are the 2 slave rigs. And as you can see, these are all synced up. These communicate with each other using the NAT network. And we are going to use an emulator, that is a pixel phone emulator, to connect using this app to these 3 rigs. So let's just put it over here and connect it. So as you can see, I've connected it using the password and the IP address. And yes, the logo has shown up. We can clear the logo using this clear function. And yeah, so let's go and check it out. Let's check place. Let's check this. And as you can see, it can connect properly using the SSH. And yep, there you have it. Thank you.
Hello community, I am Vedang Lokhande. This is the task 1 for Liquid Galaxy GSoC 2025. Okay, so let's get started. This is the BlueStacks emulator for Android display, 6 inches vertical. These 3 are our virtual machines. Let's say view in Galaxy. Let's click on orbit. Let's simulate. Okay, this works as intended. I'll clear it. Next we go to settings. Let's clear the KML and logos. So this is it for task 1. Thank you.
Hello Liquid Galaxy community, my name is Rohit and today I am going to demonstrate my task 0 for Google Summer of Code 25. So here is my presentation. As you can see, all the 3 rigs are running correctly, and here is the Satnox application which I have installed on a 6.2 inches screen smartphone. And as you can see, there are lots of functionalities here. So first of all, we'll try to connect using this. So I've already put all the username and password and the available ports. So we'll try to connect, and yes, this is connected. If I go back to the Liquid Galaxy and if I try to clear KML and logos, so it must, yeah, as you can see, the logos has been cleared. And let's go back to see the functionality of the application. So let's click on view in Galaxy, and then we must be redirected to this page. As you can see, we are perfectly navigating to the yeah, so as you can see, the satellite position is being reflected on the Liquid Galaxy rigs. So you can also play with the orbit. You can click on the orbit and it will do the functionalities as expected. We can also view another satellites, and it will basically draw the paths of those satellite and its orbit. Yep. So yeah, that's all, and let's clean this up again. So just yep, clear the camel and logos. So that's all. Thank you so much.
Hello, I am Mohit Sharma, and this video is for submission of task 1. I have created LG rig here, and for controlling the rig, I have used my own phone. I am mirroring my phone on the screen because I don't have two cameras. Using the Satnox app, I have connected to this server, VM server. I have used port forwarding to connect. This is my host machine IP, and this is the port which I am forwarding. I've already connected and it is working, as you can see. Yes, it is showing the satellite head and it is also showing the satellite stations, ground station. I've also used one more map. This is La Palma Volcano application. I have connected to this one using the VM IP. I am not using port forwarding here, port forwarding. and it is also working. I'm running the La Palma app on an emulator, and I showed the SatNox app on my real device. Thank you.
So, hello everyone, myself Jayavardhan Shukla, and I basically am a final year undergraduate student from Vishwesvaraya National Institute of Technology, Nagpur, which is situated in Maharashtra, India. So, I live in the city of Lucknow in Uttar Pradesh, in India, and this video is basically about my preliminary submission to the Liquid Galaxy for the task one, where I've shown 4 different rigs, three hosting the VM virtual machines for the Liquid Galaxy, and one showing the SAT application. So, here's the demonstration for the same. So this is the Liquid Galaxy setup. It consists of 4 different virtual machines. The 3 virtual machines are LG rigs. The one in the middle is LG1, which is the master machine, and the other 2 are the slave machines, LG2 and LG3. So the fourth machine is basically the Android emulator, which is created using Android Studio, and it replicates the Pixel 7a screen dimensions and DPI. So it currently hosts the SAT and application. So as we can see from the settings icon that the connection is established. So I would go back and try to run the pathways of a few satellites. So for example, this is the sector 4 satellite. If I click on the View in Galaxy button, then the LG would trace the path of the satellite and establish its current location. So currently the satellite is located right here. If I click on the orbit button, then it would revolve around the satellite for the fix from the 360-degree view. So I can stop the orbit and click on the simulate button. So it would start simulating the path of the satellite along the right direction. So I can increase the orbit period so as to basically see the simulation over the larger distances and time period. Also, if I increase the orbit button, the speed is greater than the previous one. So there are other satellites also. For example, LES1. If I click on this, then it would trace the path of this satellite. So this is how we can view any satellite by using the SAT and GS application. Also, now I would demonstrate the settings. So in the Liquid Galaxy section, there are various settings like relaunch, reboot, power off, save, refresh, and so on. So I would demonstrate the relaunch setting. As I click on it, the Liquid Galaxy LGVMs would relaunch by themselves. So as we can see, all the 3 virtual machines are now relaunching, and they would open up in their default revolving motion. So as we can see, it basically starts opens up again. So now I would click on the reboot option, and all the 3 VMs would start rebooting. So all the machines are now rebooting. So thank you for Liquid Galaxy team for creating all the documentations, and thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Amit and I have completed the first task for the 3 rig setup along with and connecting with the application, and now let's move to the screen and see it's working.
So here is the setup for the 3 rig. Here is the master one, LG1, and LG2 and LG3, both are the slaves. And here I have connected the applications, SatNow visualization application here, where I have already connected with the all these rigs. And let's check one of the example. So here we can see in the application there are satellites, and also we can have here ground stations. So let's see this satellite LS1, and let's see on the clicking on being in Galaxy. So yeah, it is going to the location where it is satellite is there. And after that we can see here on the right rig data that are appearing on the applications are also appearing here. And on the left hand side we can see here are the some of the logos which are been there. And also in the application we can see there we have the option of orbit. On clicking we can see here orbit is starting. and here is our satellite ls1. And if we will click on this ls1, we can see here this repository detail, where you can have more information about it. And yeah, so also in the application, here we can have this simulate option. If you click on the simulate, it will start simulating the satellite. If we can see here, it is moving. Yeah, so this is the one of the example of showing this on the rig. And also we can go to the setting and the liquid galaxy. Here we can clear the kml and logos. So on clicking on it, it will get clear. And already I have set this slaves refresh, then only it is getting refresh for every 2 seconds. So yeah, so here this is the complete small walkthrough of this application. Yeah, thank you.